Welcome back. We are now cutting across to these live visuals that are coming in from Andhra Pradesh's Puttaparthi. It has Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in fact, participating in the centenary celebrations of Sri Satya Sai Baba. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi is currently in Andhra Pradesh. He is there in Puttaparthi celebrating Sri Satya Sai Baba. These are centenary celebrations of Sri Satya Sai Baba. He has in fact, Chandrababu Naidu along with him. You can see the Chief Minister there along with the Prime Minister. My colleague Aneri Shah with all the details. And there you see the visuals of Chandrababu Naidu with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Aneri?
Well, yeah, that's right. What we are seeing is that right now, along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, we also see Chandrababu Naidu, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister, participating in the centenary birthday celebrations of Satya Sai Baba in Puttaparthi, that is in Andhra Pradesh. And also at the same time, we will be seeing, right now what we are seeing is that Chandrababu Naidu, along with Prime Minister Modi and also other leaders like Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan and Nara Lokesh and other cabinet ministers are there in Puttaparthi, where these are the centenary birthday celebrations of Sri Satya Sai Baba, which is being done at a grand scale in Andhra Pradesh. And later on, we will be seeing after all of these programs, Prime Minister will leave from Andhra Pradesh, and later Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu, will also launch the distribution of funds to the farmers. That's one of the schemes which will be launched by Chandrababu Naidu later in the day. And also at the same time, after this very program, Prime Minister landed in Andhra Pradesh early in the morning, and after this we will be seeing, as per the schedule which we have received, the itinerary where Chief Minister had welcomed Prime Minister Modi at Puttaparthi Airport, and then later both the leaders have offered prayers there at the Satya Sai Baba. And then we will be seeing that Chief Minister and Prime Minister Modi will reach the View Stadium and participate in all these birthday celebrations that have been organized in a big way by the Andhra Pradesh government.
Right, absolutely. And also, Aneri, what we see on the visuals right now, there are cows which have been decorated. There are certain certificates that we see the Prime Minister handing over to these representatives who have brought, possibly the farmers who have brought these cows to the venue. Anything that you can explain in that regard?
Well, see, right now these are the centenary celebrations that have been taking place, and what we are seeing are the visuals from the stadium, and where we will be where Prime Minister Modi along with the Chief Minister is taking part in the centenary celebrations. And the ritual, these are all the rituals which have been done by every year. It is being done, and today being the centenary celebrations of Sri Satya Sai Baba, on this occasion Prime Minister will also commemorate a coin and a set of stamp honoring his life, teachings, and enduring the legacy of Sri Satya Sai Baba. And later he will also address the gathering there. And also what we are seeing, these are the visuals that have been coming in from the stadium, is what we are learning.
Well, absolutely. Visuals of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He is, like Kaneri was mentioning, he's to release the commemorative coin honoring Satya Sai Baba. And there you can see him being accompanied by the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, also the Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan. And here the Prime Minister is seen meditating, and that ceremony is currently underway. Quite a grand affair. These are centenary celebrations of Sri Satya Sai Baba, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi is he has headed to Andhra Pradesh for it. Aneri, the significance and the importance of Sri Satya Sai Baba, particularly in Andhra Pradesh, and the fact that this is 100 years that we are celebrating, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi there. In the middle of that entire ceremony, we have the Brahmins reciting the verses and the Prime Minister meditating right before the idols.
Well, yes, that's right. Prime Minister Modi first paid his offered his prayers to the Satya Sai Baba, and also he had handed over certain certificates to the cow and the people who brought these cows to this very place as a part of the centenary celebrations. And now what we are seeing is that Prime Minister Modi also is seen meditating there, at this very stadium. And well, this is not the first time where we are seeing celebrations being happening. But today, being the centenary celebrations, it is being organized at a grand scale by the Andhra Pradesh government. And also, what we see is that the Prime Minister who is in Puttaparthi, where this is also known as a holy shrine of Satya Sai Baba. And then later we will be seeing that Prime Minister will also release commemorate a coin and a set of stamps, as I mentioned earlier. But right now, as you see, Prime Minister Modi is seen meditating there and offering his prayers to Satya Sai Baba. So now definitely this comes as a very significant move, that too on the eve of the centenary birthday celebrations of Sri Satya Sai Baba, that is in Puttaparthi in Andhra Pradesh.
Right, offering his obeisance there before Sri Satya Sai Baba. There are verses that are being recited as we speak. Live visuals from Puttaparthi, where Prime Minister currently is. He's participating in the centenary celebrations of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. And like Aneri was mentioning, he will be releasing a commemorative coin, a set of stamps honoring the life, the teachings and enduring legacy of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. The Prime Minister, Aneri, we are told, is also scheduled to address a gathering during this program.
Well, yes, Prime Minister will also be addressing a gathering. That will be in a short while from now, after he releases the coin and after the commemoration of the coin and the stamps on the teachings and life of Satya Sai Baba and the legacy of Satya Sai Baba. The stamps and coins will be released by Prime Minister Modi, and along with him we will be seeing Chandrababu Naidu and Andhra Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan also, who will be there. And following this, we will be seeing that Prime Minister will be addressing a gathering there, and later Prime Minister will leave for Coimbatore. And this is a very significant move that is coming in, especially when we see that Andhra Pradesh government has organized the centenary celebrations of Satya Sai Baba at a very grand scale, today being the centenary birthday celebrations of Satya Sai Baba.
Right. He's also going to be travelling to Coimbatore later to inaugurate the South India Natural Farming Summit, we are told, Aneri. What is part of the itinerary of the Prime Minister after he gets out of Puttaparthi today?
Well, earlier in the day, that is around 9 a.m., we saw Prime Minister Modi, who landed in Puttaparthi Airport, where he was welcomed by Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu and Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan. And now they are visiting the Satya Sai Baba auditorium there, and later there will be an address by the Prime Minister, where he will also be commemorating the coin and the stamp. And later, after he addresses the gathering, we will be seeing that the Prime Minister will travel to Coimbatore, where he will be inaugurating the South India Natural Farming Summit. That will be around 1:30 p.m. and this comes on the the Coimbatore event comes on the occasion of where he will be releasing the 21st installment of PM Kisan amount that will to over 18,000 crores to benefit 9 crore farmers across the country. So a very big move Prime Minister Modi has been doing, and this is as a part of Prime Minister who is, this is a 3-day summit which is happening in Coimbatore, but Prime Minister is a part of the inaugural function today that will be happening around 1:30 today.
This outreach program for the farmers is a really grand one that is going to come out of Tamil Nadu. So from Andhra Pradesh, the Prime Minister is headed to Tamil Nadu. But today, it's a very, very significant day. These are 100 years of the birth of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. And these are the centenary celebrations, the visuals of which we are putting out before our viewers. First, you saw Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrive there along with the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu, and his deputy, Pawan Kalyan. And there you see him paying his obeisance to Sri Satya Sai Baba along with the prayers that are underway, the verses that were being recited, and the puja that was primarily underway. And there you see the Prime Minister thanking all the people associated with this particular the temple there, and the prayers are now complete, we are told, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi has paid his obeisance to Sri Sathya Sai Baba. Neri, you were talking about the next set of meetings that the Prime Minister is going to be a part of. How soon can we expect that address first of the Prime Minister here while he is in Andhra Pradesh? Okay, we do see him on the stage, Aneri. So very, very shortly after the felicitation, he is going to be addressing that large gathering in Puttaparthi, and we see a huge crowd that has assembled to listen to the Prime Minister. The Chief Minister is standing along with the Prime Minister on the stage, a gathering that speaks volumes about the kind of crowd puller Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of the country, really is. So he is currently there. A lot of children also that we see on the screen, Aneri.
Well, that's right. Prime Minister Modi has arrived at the place where he will now, after he offered his prayers at the Sathya Sai Baba stadium there, and he also was seen doing meditation where some of the priests were also, as you saw in the visuals, they were seen saying the Vedic chants were being performed by these priests, and after the Prime Minister Modi met them, they left from there, and now what we are seeing is that Prime Minister Modi is going to address the gathering where there are many children who are participating in this very event, and before he addresses this very gathering, we will be seeing Prime Minister Modi, who will be commemorating the coin and also a set of stamp which will be dedicated to the legacy and to the work, the life of Sathya Sai Baba. And as you see, it's a huge gathering that has been organized by the Andhra Pradesh government. This is one of the big celebrations which is being done as a part of the centenary celebrations of Sri Sathya Sai Baba in Puttaparthi in Andhra Pradesh, where you see on the stage, along with Prime Minister Modi, you see Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu and also the Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan, who are a part of this very event. And following which, after this, we will be seeing Prime Minister Modi leaving for Coimbatore. But yes, in a short while from now, we will be seeing Prime Minister Modi commemorating the coin and a stamp dedicated to the life of Sri Sathya Sai Baba. Before that, we will also be seeing Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu and also Pawan Kalyan, who will be addressing the gathering. And right now, as you see in the visuals where Pawan Kalyan is there along with Prime Minister Modi and Chandrababu Naidu, and also many other leaders, including Andhra Pradesh IT Minister Nara Lokesh is also a part of this celebration.
Right. The Prime Minister is also visiting Andhra Pradesh after that bus tragedy really happened here. Do we know what all will the speech really be a part of? Because the Prime Minister, knowing him, he touches upon all of these incidences as well. We do know how he had expressed his condolences to all the people, particularly children who had lost their life in that incident. It was a big one that was coming out of Andhra Pradesh.
This is the first visit post the incident that had happened in Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh, where 19 people lost their life. But we'll have to see if Prime Minister Modi touches upon that such incidents on the eve of the centenary celebrations. But yes, Prime Minister usually talks about such incidents and pays his condolences. That on the day of the incident, also Prime Minister Modi had expressed his grief over this incident that had happened in Kurnool, and later the Prime Minister had also announced an ex gratia. But now, as you see, Prime Minister Modi, along with Chandrababu Naidu and also Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan, is there at this very event which is taking place right now. And in a short while from now, we will be seeing Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister also inaugurating the coin and the stamp.
So the commemorative coin and the stamp that will be inaugurated by the Prime Minister. He's just visited the holy shrine and the Maha Samadhi of Bhagwan Sri Sathya Sai Baba at Puttaparthi in Andhra Pradesh. Upon his arrival, he offered obeisance, he paid respects at at the Mahasamadhi of the Baba, and he later participated in the centenary celebrations of Sri Satya Sai Baba. We are mentioning about the commemorative coin, the set of stamps honoring the life of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba and his enduring legacy, that will be released by the Prime Minister today. And very, very shortly after this hymn that is right now being sung at the gathering which has the Prime Minister, you also see Sachin Tendulkar there on the stage with the Prime Minister. And that is also a significant attendance, Aneri. More details about the Master Blaster there sitting next to the Prime Minister.
Well, yes, a lot of people have joined this centenary celebrations, and also at the same time, along with Prime Minister, we see Sachin Tendulkar, who is a part of this very event. Well, what will be his role, it all remains to be seen, because it was Sachin Tendulkar being a part of this very event is a huge, definitely a big invitation by the and also in a big way which the Andhra Pradesh government has been planning, and that is the reason why we see many of the leaders and many celebrities who are a part of this. And right now, as you see in the visual, Sachin Tendulkar also a part of this very program. What will Sachin Tendulkar be talking about also remains to be seen.
Well, absolutely. Are we expecting an address from Tendulkar also, Aneri?
Most likely, yes. Post the address by Chandrababu Naidu and Deputy Chief Minister, Sachin Tendulkar might address the gathering there, and he will also be offering his tributes and prayers to Satya Sai Baba there at Puttaparthi, who, as you see in the visuals, Sachin Tendulkar sharing stage with Prime Minister Modi.
And there you see the Prime Minister is being facilitated by the Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, a shawl, token of appreciation that has been presented to the Prime Minister. And very, very shortly, and also that piece there that is being given to the Prime Minister as he's being felicitated there. And very, very shortly, we would expect the Prime Minister to be addressing that huge gathering. We were mentioning about Sachin Tendulkar's attendance, who you see on the stage along with the Prime Minister. We all know that he is a great follower of Sri Satya Sai Baba, and that explains his presence there at the centenary celebrations of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. He's currently also there in Puttaparthi along with the Prime Minister. And there you see that image of Sri Satya Sai Baba that is being presented to the Prime Minister, and that marks the 100 years of his birth and celebrating the legacy of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Prime Minister Narendra Modi specially arrived in Andhra Pradesh for the same, and very, very shortly he'll be addressing the gathering that you see on your screens of devotees from across the globe who have come to Puttaparthi for the centenary celebration. And it is only later, after this visit, the Prime Minister leaves for Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu. We see a lot of high-profile attendees who are part of this grand celebration. Namely, we did see Sachin Tendulkar, who is in that same rank and file along with the Prime Minister, sitting at the front of the stage with the Prime Minister. He has been an ardent follower of Sri Satya Sai Baba, and that's why he too is present for the centenary celebrations. There's also the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, N. Chandrababu Naidu, the Governor, S. Abdul Nazir, also the Deputy Chief Minister, Pawan Kalyan. And we did see the HRD Minister there, Nara Lokesh, and several state and central ministers and other elected representatives attending this event. Now, we do know that the Prime Minister is currently in Puttaparthi, and that has resulted in a thick security cover because several other VVIPs along with the Prime Minister are currently there in Puttaparthi for the centenary celebrations. Prime Minister very shortly is going to be unveiling the commemorative coin and the stamps in honor of the legacy of Sri Satya Sai Baba. Aneri?
My heart is filled.
Well, that's right. In a short while from now, Prime Minister Modi will be commemorating the coin and also a stamp on the life on the the teachings of Sri Satya Sai Baba on the eve of the centenary birthday celebrations of Sri Satya Sai Baba, and this comes as a big celebrations that have been taking place in Andhra Pradesh, which is organized by the Andhra Pradesh government, and Prime Minister Modi being a part of this is definitely going to be a significant move. And as you see, it's a grand celebration where thousands of people have also gathered to hear Prime Minister Modi, and in a short while from now we will be seeing Prime Minister Modi also addressing the gathering there in Puttaparthi, and then later Prime Minister will leave from Andhra Pradesh, and then he will be heading to Coimbatore. But before that, earlier in the day, he was welcomed at the Puttaparthi airport by the Andhra Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan, and also
very shortly we are waiting for the address of the Prime Minister. But before we do that, here's a breaking piece of information that we have for our viewers.